Okay, in today's video, we are going to do a review of this right here. This is the pocket hose. This is the Copper Bullet Edition, and this is the guy that endorses it here, the guy from Home Improvement. But this is, so when you buy this thing, it comes with this handle. Okay, it has the different types of nozzles that you can switch it over to that look like that, and then on the outside of it, it shows it also. And then here's the hose itself. Now, the reason that I got this is because it's small and compact like that. Once we hook it up to the sprinkler or to the faucet there, it'll expand, and then after you're done using it and you make sure you drain all the water out of the hose, it should coil back up to a small hose like that. Now, I did buy the 25-foot hose, and it was able to fit in a box that looks like that, so that's nice. But we're gonna go ahead and hook this up to our water spigot. Here's what the two ends look like here. One end, this one goes onto the water hose with the easy thumb control. This one here attaches onto the water spigot. The easy thumb control works like so. You pull down on that or push up on it. One of the things I do like about this hose is take a look at that washer. It's a nice wide washer to help prevent any kind of water leakage when you have it attached to your water spigot. Okay, now we have this thing attached. I will say that was one of the easiest water hoses to attach to a spigot that I ever had. Sometimes you got to get them and try to thread it correctly. This one just went right on and tightened up real nicely, so kudos to that. Okay, now this is what the hose looks like without any water on it. Let's go ahead and turn on the water spigot. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on full blast. There's no water leaking from the hose, which is always a good sign. That means it's working there. And now water is starting to fill up the hose a little bit. Okay, now here's the stretch test to see if it stretches well. And I'm pulling on it, pulling on it, pulling more. Look at that. It's stretching really well. Has a little bit of a pull back in, but so far it has a really good stretch on it, going to 25 feet. Okay, turn the water on. You got to take this valve right here, make sure that it is straight, allowing the water to pass through. Next, I have it on shower, but next you take this part here and you just pull down on it, and right there goes the water. So easy on and off mechanism, just like so. Okay, now here's the real test after I've turned off the water on the spigot, and I'm going to drain out the water out of the hose. Let's see if it all curls back up. Okay, let's drain out the water. All right, and there we go. That's what's left of the hose. So you guys tell me, is it something that you're interested in getting? Is it worth the hype? Hopefully this gave you a little bit of an idea of what to expect if you were in the market to buy this particular hose. I kind of like the compact design, but I guess I kind of thought that it would curl up a little bit better. But I'm gonna go ahead and keep it because the hose is real nice. It doesn't drain from the spigot. So we're gonna go ahead and use it for this summer season. If this video was helpful, go ahead and click a thumbs up on it. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech reviews all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Take care.